your girl Brandy Gibbs, and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to bring to you a haul, some things that I've been holding on to that I want to share with you all, and I never got the time to share them, so let me get started. Okay, from Sephora I only picked up one item, and it's the Playland, and I wanted an eye cream, so I picked up this from Belief, and it is a kit that comes, let me open it up. It comes with the AquaBomb moisturizer, a Hungarian water essence, and a moisturizing eye balm. And this is it right here. This is a great moisturizer for your face. It hydrates the skin, and this right here is the eye cream. And I haven't been using this on a consistent basis, so I can't really tell you how it performs. And this Hungarian water essence, haven't used that yet, but this is a really great moisturizer. It does moisturize my face a lot. Sometimes I have to blot, so I usually like to use this under a foundation. So yep, that is all that I picked up at Sephora. Okay, and next I purchased a t-shirt from Nitra B. She usually always have these little sayings she say in her video, which is like blessed to be a blessing, or another one, bomb.com, stuff like that. So I end up getting this blessed to be a blessing t-shirt. She had this in different colors. I picked up the one in pink, and it is a really nice cotton t-shirt. It's really soft. It kind of stretches. This is, I picked up in a large. I could have ordered it in a medium, but I wanted to get it in a large because I wasn't quite sure of the material. This one is good quality, so I don't think that it will drop, but this is a really nice, cute, one of my favorite pinks. So I wanted to be a blessing what she was doing, so I ended up ordering one of her t-shirts. Okay, moving on. From Marshall's, I only picked up one item, and it's this white dress I thought was really cute that I can wear in the summertime. It has like that, like, is it lace? Kind of like lace at the top, and it goes down, and it kind of like swings out. It's really cute on. I'm not gonna try it on right now, but I just thought this was really cute, and I like the sleeves because you can like tie them up, so you can kind of get the visual of how it might look on me. It is a really cute dress that you can actually wear to church because it wasn't see-through or nothing like that. And this is only $16.99, so I had to get that. And that's the only thing that I picked up from Marshall's, guys. Then I went to the beauty supply store, and the only two items that I picked up were this lip gloss that I showed you in a haul, and this is from Ruby Kisses, one of my favorite beauty supply store lip glosses, and this is in Java Guava. Real good lip gloss, and I love the smell. I love really good smelling lip glosses, and also I like lip glosses that just make your lips pop. And I picked up a wig, and you guys, I had this, let me see, I had this in my possession for about a month now, and this is how the wig's supposed to look, right? And it was the last one, so it was $49.99 with, I think, 30% off, and then I got an additional, it was $39.99. I got a additional 25% off. It's let's see, it's called, this is the wig, the name of it, and I believe it's called Trinity. Yeah, so this is a wig. I am not gonna put this wig on, but I love the colors that are in here. Real cute. And yep, I purchased it. Looks really pretty. So I'm going to insert the picture of how the wig looks on me. Tell me honestly, tell me what you guys think. Do it look a little too stripperish? Let's move on. I also did a haul. I'm not quite sure if I showed you this, but it's like a really small haul from Victoria's Secret. And Pink had a sale. I picked up some undies from them. And so if you are not interested in seeing how panties look, you know, for those of y'all who don't like to see panties, you might want to like zoom past this, but I'm going to share with you all who do want to see them. And this one is gorgeous in pink. This is basic maroon. We have this one, it's in Love. Victoria's Secret, and this is like a peachy orange shade. That's a peachy orange color. And then we have this really pretty Tiffany blue, and it says Angel. It's just a regular panty, but yep, those are the panties that I ordered. And for some reason it feels like I showed you guys these, but I'm not sure, and if I have, I'm sorry. But these are the glosses that I also ordered, and this is like my favorite. This is Candy Baby, this one is Love Baby, and this is Caramel Kiss. I like these two, but the Caramel Kiss, I really like how the Caramel Kiss looks, but I don't like the smell. It has a cocoa chocolate kind of smell that I'm not too fond of, but these two smell really, really delicious. I placed an order with ColourPop because I wanted the Shayla collection, and I picked that up. I picked up the Shayla collection, the entire collection, and this is the Perception. And I haven't done an eye look featuring this here palette, so if you want to see an eye look with this here palette, hit that thumbs up button right now, and I will definitely get a eye look out for you guys, a tutorial. But these are the eyeshadow colors, and it comes with your mirror, and this is it right here. It's housed in this here box. I also got the Booming. Let's open this here up. Okay, this is one of her highlighters, and this is Booming, a really pretty gold. Let me open it up. Watch a little bit. Oh, that's pretty. And that's Booming, and it's more of a bronze. Okay, so yeah, that's a bronze color. Okay, so I showed you guys the highlighter, and it came with a free ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. It's called Birthday Wish. Open that up for you guys. I'm going to show you everything. And this is the Super Shock eyeshadow. I'm going to press it down. It feels like a sponge, so I just press it down. It was free, so I'm not tripping on it. But oh yeah, that is really pretty. That is called Birthday. You know what, the camera doesn't even do any justice on how it looks, but it is really pretty. Moving on, and then it came with a gloss called, which I didn't order, so I believe that this was free because they said that the order was a little bit late, and I didn't notice it. But this is the Ultra gloss, and I think, yeah, this is Carucci's gloss, and this is called Leche Me. And that's it right there. I mean, it's really sheer, you can't really tell. I'm glad that I wouldn't have ordered it, because I would have been really disappointed. And what else did they give me? Oh, and then I have these lippies. You have Quickie, Ooey, and Come On Sis. So this is I'll do it on this hand. This is called Quickie. That's how Quickie looks. It's a pretty, like, it has peach, like a peachy. Girl, let me not even describe it to you. I'm just gonna swatch it and you guys be the judge. Okay, and this one is something that I wouldn't have never ordered on its own. It's called Come On Sis, and that's it right there. Not my favorite color, so I definitely will be giving it away. And here is ooey, well, ooh, however you say it. However you say it. Ooh. Okay. And that is it right there. That's a pretty color. Out of the three, I like, and out of the three, I like Quickie. Yeah, out of the three is Quickie's my favorite. So the other two I will definitely be giving away. Okay, and then we have the Ultra Glossy Lip, and this is called Neat Freak, that you can put over your gloss, make it pop. That's pretty. So I just put that over Quickie, and it gives it a glossy look. That's that, and let me see. Yep, I think that's it. Okay, let's move on. I'm not sure if I showed you guys this, but I picked up the Got2B Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel, and the only reason why I picked this up because this hair product from Style Factor, it's the Edge Boost, and I have this in grape. Smells so good, and it is a good product, but after a couple of uses, if you don't like wash it out, you will have a buildup and you'll see like a white cast. So when they really say edge control, they don't mean like you just slick back your hair, because you'll see some kind of residue, but it smells so good. And I have this one in grape, and I've been using the heck out of it. It smells really, really good. Smells really, really good. So if somebody whispering in your ear, they'll smell this grape. It smells good. And I also picked it up in strawberry. Not quite sure where the strawberry is at, but okay. And back to the Got2B Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel. I've been seeing a lot of girls wear their little baby hairs out, and they have their, you know, edges looking on fleek. So I wanted to try a little bit of this on my edges and see if it holds up. So that is the reason why I purchased this, not because of the wig. I don't know anything about on how to apply wigs, so I just grabbed this, and hopefully it does the trick. I think I picked that up at Walmart. Let me tell you guys a fun fact about me. I am a product junkie when it comes to hair products, and I picked this up and I don't even know why, but this is the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel, and it's supposed to give an extra hold. It doesn't have a smell, but I picked this up and I want to see how it works. It probably will give my hair a greasy look to it, but anyway, it says it's benefiting St. Jude. So I went on Instagram and I wanted to find a stylist here in the Chicago area who did really nice braids, real nice neat braids, and I found a young lady by the name of Tiffany who does an amazing job at braids. So I made an appointment with her, and she put my braids in, and I'm so thankful. I really, really like them. It's going on, I think it's like 2 weeks now, and I love them. But anyway, back to the story. Before I put the braids in, I did a order online with Sally Beauty Supply Store, and they had the Design Essential Natural on sale. I think it was like buy one get one 50% off, and I also had like a 20 or 30% off coupon, and it comes with 4 steps. This is step 1. It's the hydrate and soften. This is the moisturizing hair bath. It smells amazing. And then we have step 2, which is the Guava and lavender. This is the moisturizing detangling conditioner. And I did my first what is it called? I did my first where you don't wash your hair but you just condition it. Guys, I'll get familiar with the terms. It is, I did my first co-wash, so that's why I have less conditioner than I have all the other products. But I did my first co-wash, and this right here smells so good. I don't really like doing co-washes. I like to wash my hair with shampoo because I find that when I did my co-wash, my hair was really, really big, so I didn't like that. And this one is step 3. It's a faster blow drying process, and it's a heat guard, and it says it's blow dry and styling. It's like a primer. And before my camera cuts off, the last one is the Guava, and lavender. This is the thermal protectant, and you like pump it. It feels like a cream, and you pump that out, and it smells really nice too, but it wasn't my favorite, so we'll talk about that in another video. But okay, moving right along, and the next product that I ordered is the Maximum Hold. I think I showed you guys another edge control from Design Essential, but I want to try the Maximum Hold, and haven't tried it yet, just purchased it. But I hear a lot of great things about this, so that is another reason why I ordered that. And I believe I ordered this through JCPenney's. I did a second order. I threw everything in this box, so I'm not quite sure if I showed you guys this, but I'll show you it anyway. I wanted to try the Bamboo and Silk. This is like a leave-in conditioner that you apply. I have tried this when I blow dry my hair, and I don't know what it does, but it does something to my hair to make it right. But I'll read you a little bit of what it says it does. They say that it's a leave-in conditioner, and it's for all hair types. I ordered another moisturizing conditioner, so this is my second bottle. So I ordered the moisturizer conditioner. I also ordered the oil moisturizer, and the oil moisturizer is really good. It says it's now more creamier, and I use that on my scalp. Let's see, this is the Design Essential. This is the hair and scalp treatment, and it says it moisturizes your hair and it relieves your scalp, I guess if you have some kind of like itching. And this is it right here, and it works really well. And another product, I'm not sure if I showed you guys this is the Hawaiian Silk Argan Oil. I don't even remember using this, but I probably have because I see it is already used, and I don't like the smell. It smells old, but that's enough of that. And the last product is some BeesWax. I was gonna try and see if I could do a look. I seen some girl here on YouTube, guys, you guys know I'm a product. I seen some chick on here use the Murray's 100% pure Australian beeswax when she was doing some French braids, and girl, I tried this, it did not work. So I'll let Miss Tiffany continue braiding my hair, and I will leave the braiding alone. Guys, I have a few more products, and then I'll be done with this here haul. I hauled this probably, let me see how long it's been. Guys, I did a vlog like 2 vlogs ago. I showed you guys me trying on some huaraches, and this is from the athlete's foot, and it's been a while. Let me see, this receipt says April the 15th, and this is May, so it's been about a month, and I haven't showed you guys this, but I will. I have been wearing the huaraches to work, and they are super comfortable. These are the black huaraches, and I really like them. Really comfortable. If you're looking for a comfortable shoe, you might want to try the huaraches. And I also purchased them in white, but I haven't worn the white ones. I was going to wait until this summer to wear the white ones, but these are the white ones, as you can see, and these are super cute. So I put that back in the box until it's hot here in the Chi. It's probably about 83 degrees today, so I'm going to probably break those out in a minute. Oh guys, let me tell you, let me show y'all my beauty supply store find. I was in the beauty supply store, and I seen some slippers, or not slippers, but some slide-on shoes that you can wear when you don't feel like wearing heels. But I seen these. These are so cute. You guys know I love bling bling, and they were what, $10, $9.99 at the beauty supply store. These are super cute. You know, you don't have to spend a lot of money if you don't want to. They always have something similar but cute. So I thought I'd share that with you all. So you might want to check your beauty supply store if you're looking for some slides like those. Really inexpensive. You don't have to spend $200–300 if you don't have it. So I'm going to wrap up this here haul because it's been really super long, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, guys, have a blessed one. Bye bye.